More than 200 young volunteers from across the country are coming together in York and Lancaster counties to help repair dozens of homes in the community. Fox 43's Ryan Yee has more on a work camp initiative that's taking place this week that is helping folks in need.
Annette Sears has been looking for help to repair her home for years, and this week she finally gets the extra set of helping hands she's been looking for.
A breath of fresh air, knowing that I don't have to come up with the money to do this.
Group Cares and the Eastern York Workcamp Initiative teaming up this week for a week-long work camp. More than 200 volunteers from across the country traveling to York and Lancaster counties to repair some 30 homes across the area. And Annette's home is one of them.
It means a lot. It restores my faith in humanity, to know that the young folks and the gentlemen who are willing to give of their time.
Organizers say it's all about giving people a chance in their community to live a better life.
Some of these families are looking, can they even live in their home? Their porches are falling apart, the steps are falling apart. We're hoping to make those home improvements so they can stay in the homes and have a better life while they're living there.
For Annette, it's also more than that. It's a chance for her to connect with the next generation of young adults.
Interaction with people that I don't get. It's just my mom and I, and sometimes my granddaughter. So, yeah, I got people to talk to.
And for the volunteers, the feeling is mutual. They cherish the connection they get to make with the people they're helping.
It's certainly rewarding to just feel like I'm helping somebody out, like somebody specific even. Just like I know who they are, I can see how they're being helped, and it's nice to have that personal connection.
The work camp runs through June 30th, and the organizers hope this week's work will have an everlasting impact on the local community.
Sometimes we can get so focused outside of our community when there's so many people right here in our community that need. So we're just excited that we're here, that we're helping out these residents. I'm looking forward to seeing the final project.
Ryan Yee, Fox 43 News.